Good morning, everyone. Let us start today's class 19B, question number 5. Take minus AB plus BC minus CA from BC minus CA plus AB. This is the question. Take means what? Take means subtract. Subtract. For example, if you have, let's say, if you have 6 candies. Okay, suppose you have 6 candies and I will ask you to take 4 candies. So you have taken 4 candies out of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many candies are left? 3 candies are left. So it means I am asking you to subtract. Okay, take means subtract. Is it clear? So if take means subtract, so it means that we have to subtract these two given polynomials. Okay, so I'm going to subtract these two polynomials, but the polynomial after from should be written first. So I will write BC minus CA plus AB minus AB plus BC minus CA. I hope it is clear. So now, yes, you can. Yes, you can, Shashank. Now, I have told you yesterday, what I have told you? I have told you that if you have minus sign outside the bracket, if you have minus sign outside the bracket, what do you have to do? Then you have to change the signs inside the bracket. Okay, so first bracket should be written as it is, BC minus CA plus AB, but next bracket the signs will be changed. This is negative, it will be positive AB. This is positive, it will become negative BC. This is negative, it will become positive CA. Now write like terms with each other. So BC and this minus BC, then CA minus CA, and this plus CA, and then AB, and then AB. Okay. Now as you can see, positive BC, negative BC cancel each other, negative CA, positive CA cancel each other. So AB plus AB. So beta, what is the answer? 2AB. Okay, AB plus AB is 2AB. This is the answer. Hope it is clear. Next, take 5x plus 6y minus 3z from 3x plus 5y minus 4z. So write 3x plus 5y minus 4z minus 5x plus 6y minus 3z. Now remove the bracket. 3x plus 5y minus 4z minus 5x minus 6y plus 3z. Now write all the like terms with each other. So 3x and there's minus 5x. Then 5y and this minus 6y minus 4z plus 3z. Fine. Now minus 2x you will get from here, minus y you will get, and from here minus z you will get. This is the answer. Okay, students. Okay, wait for some time. Actually, there is an technical issue. So let me first fix it. Okay. Now is the screen visible? Questions are visible to everyone? Okay. So let us now solve next question. Question number 3. Take this from this. So I will write this portion first. Okay. So I will write 1 upon 2p minus 1 upon 3q minus 3 upon 2r. Then I will write this minus and then bracket, small bracket, minus 3 upon 2 p plus q minus r. This is the question. Now, maybe that you will say, sir, this is so long and this is looking so dangerous, huh? It's not so dangerous. Try to solve it. It's not so difficult. 1 upon 2p you will write as it is. Minus 1 upon 3q, write as it is. 3 upon 2r, write as it is. Now this minus, because of this minus will become plus. Plus 3 upon 2 p plus negative, then this positive sign will become negative. Okay, so negative q and plus r. Okay, now write p like terms with each other. So I will write 1 upon 2 p plus 3 upon 2 p, 3 upon 2 p with each other, plus then q term minus 1 upon 3 q and then minus, sorry, this is q not p, then minus q. Okay, then r terms minus 3 upon 2 r plus r. Clear? Now what we will do, we will take LCM in this. First we will solve this portion. So what is the LCM of 2 and 2? 2. So this will become p plus 3p. Okay, now take LCM in 3 and 1. This negative sign, then 3 and 1, the LCM is 3. So write q as it is, minus 1 3s are 3, so 3q here. Okay, next minus LCM of 1 and 2 is 2, so 3r and minus 2r. 1 2s are 2 minus 2r. Now you will say why this minus, यहाँ तो plus है यहाँ minus क्यों हुआ? इस माइनस की वजह से ये वाला जो प्लस है वो माइनस हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस माइनस ये वाला जो माइनस है ये प्लस हो जाएगा. इस चीज का आप लोग सब ध्यान रखेंगे. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, बिकॉज ऑफ this minus becomes plus, and because of this minus, this plus becomes minus. Now p plus 3p is 4p upon 2 minus 4q upon 3 minus 3 minus 2 1 means r upon 2. Now you can reduce this. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So finally your answer is 2p minus 4q upon 3 minus r upon 2. This is the final answer. Okay. So take a screenshot or whatever. I will upload the video, but this is very important question. Do practice at least 2 to 3 times for this question. इस क्वेश्चन की 2 से 3 टाइम्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, then it will become clear to you. Yes. Next, take this from this. Okay, so this is easy. Write a square plus a plus 1 minus, then write this one. Okay, first one. So this is 1 minus a plus a square. Now solve this. So you will write a square plus a plus 1 minus 1 plus a minus a square. So as you can see, positive a square, negative a square cancel. Positive 1, negative 1 cancel. A plus a. Finally, a plus a is what? Now tell me what is a plus a. Tell me fast. What is the value of a plus a? 2a. Very good. So the answer is a. Okay. Question number 6. From the sum of this and this, subtract this. First, we have to find the sum of this and this. Okay. So let us find the sum of this and this. So x plus y minus 2x and 2x minus y plus z, and we have to find the sum. That is why we will use plus sign. Okay, find the sum. So you will write x plus y minus 2x plus 2x minus y plus z. So write, okay, this is z. Sorry, this is z. So now write like terms with each other, x plus 2x. Okay, and then plus y, this, and then minus y, and now write z wala term minus 2z plus z. Okay, so finally x plus 2x is 3x plus y minus y cancel, minus 2z plus z plus 1z is minus z. This is the sum. Now from this sum you have to subtract this. So now you have to do subtraction. Okay, so you have to subtract 3x minus 2 minus x plus y plus z. Do this and tell me the answer. So question number 7, first you have to, if you want me to explain this question again, I'm explaining this again. Okay, look at this again very carefully how to do this. Question number 7. The question is saying find the sum of this and this. So find the sum of 3a minus 2b plus 4c plus 3b minus 2c. So 3a minus 2b plus 3b plus 4c minus 2c. So 3a and this plus b and plus 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, 2c. Now you have to subtract this from this. So write subtraction 3a plus b plus 2c minus a minus b minus c. So 3a plus b plus 2c minus a plus b plus c. Bracket open करने पे sign change. Now 3a minus a, 3a minus a plus this b and this b plus 2c and plus c. So 3a minus a is 2a, 2a plus 2b plus 3c. This is the answer. Clear? Question number 8. Subtract this from the sum of this and this. So find first sum of this and this. First इसका और इसका sum find कीजिए. 3x minus y plus z plus x plus y minus 3z. So write 3x plus x with each other, then minus y plus y, then plus z minus 3z. So finally you will write 3x plus x 4x plus y minus y cancel and z minus 3z, so minus 2z. So this is the sum. Ab what you have to do, you have to subtract this from this. तो from के बाद वाला पहले होता है, तो subtraction में क्या करेंगे? Subtraction, first you will write this 4x minus 2z minus in bracket x minus 2y minus z. Okay, so you will write 4x minus 2z minus x plus 2y plus z. So 4x minus 2z. Okay, you have to write like terms with each other. So 4x minus x and then minus 2z plus z plus 2y. So you will write 4x minus x is 3x. Then minus 2z plus z is minus z plus 2y. This is your answer. Class is not about to end. Abhi we have time. Azima. If the video is not clear, you can leave the class and join again. Question number 9. Subtract the sum of this and this from the sum of this and this. So first find these sums. Okay. So first we will find the sum of this and this. So write x plus y plus x minus z. It will be x plus x 2x plus y minus z. Now find the sum of this and this. So x minus 2z plus x plus y plus z. So it will be x plus x 2x, then minus 2z plus z minus z plus y. So this is the sum. Now the question is saying subtract the sum of this and this from this and this. तो from के बाद वाला ये है, तो ये पहले लिखा जाएगा in subtraction. So you will write 2x minus z plus y minus this 2x plus y minus z. So write 2x minus z plus y minus 2x minus y plus z plus 2x minus 2x plus minus z plus y minus y. Your answer is 0. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या किया देखो, again I am explaining. First I have got the sum of this and this, then sum of this and this polynomial. Sum of this and this is this, and sum of these two polynomial is this. Now इसका सम ये आ गया है, इन दोनों का सम ये है. अब इन दोनों के सम को आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो पहले ये आप लिखोगे फर्स्ट नंबर पे, देन माइनस का साइन, फिर ये लिखोगे, एंड देन उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे, यू विल गेट द आंसर. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. ट्राई करना आफ्टर दिस क्लास एंड यू विल कम टू नो. ओके, इट विल बी क्लियर. ऐसे कम समझ में आएगा, बट व्हेन यू विल यूज योर ओन पेन, यू विल use your own brain, then it will be clear to you. Clear? Question number 10. Today I have to complete this. Okay, 19b. By how much should this be increased to get 3x? Okay, so what you have to do, it is saying increase means we have to plus something. So in fact, then we have to subtract something. Okay, sir, there is no question in 10 in 19b. How is that possible? How is that possible, भाई? बेटा अपनी अपनी बुक्स में देखिए.